Some huge news coming out of the Argo blockchain team. We're going to discuss all of this, what it means for the future, which is big. What is the crack, everyone? Welcome back to Buy or Sell. Of course, you're all well. Argo blockchain, my favorite crypto miner. We're doing a video again on it today. The last video we actually did was on the 7th when we talked about the RNS update, and I'll share the link to that video. You can go in and check that out if you want to get an update on that. We're going to have a quick look at the previous month though, in a lovely video that Argo seem to be doing now on a monthly basis, which is great. I love them little videos. I think they're great. Great little videos. So yeah, we'll keep them coming. Just a nice roundup of the month. Although you can go and watch all my videos for more details. So what we have here is a equipment finance agreement. Okay, so the agreement amounted for 26.66 million, roughly 20 million pounds. To recapitalize the purchase of electrical infrastructure equipment. So the company anticipates being able to energize the 200 megawatts Helios facility and still on track for facility completion in the first half of 2022. So the interest is 8.25%. It's not that bad, not that bad at all, really, when you consider things. I mean, it's a lot of money, but it's not that bad at all. So we've got 26.6 million over 4 years at 8.25%. I'll make that about 5.7 million then of interest we're paying. So that's the deal. The best thing about this, something that we've been talking about on the channel for ages, even in the last video we've been talking about it, we didn't want more dilution. There was different ways of doing it, perhaps Bitcoin-based loans or selling Bitcoin. Ideally, we didn't really want to sell Bitcoin. Selling Bitcoin in the short term would be an easy solution, easy way to get money, but with the pullback that Bitcoin's had, it wouldn't have made sense. We're better off holding that, waiting for Bitcoin to go to the friggin' moon. Peter Wall went on to say he's delighted to secure this non-dilutive, there you go, non-dilutive funding, which will enable us to complete a crucial stage in our fit out of the Helios site. And there you go, foremost Bitcoin finance companies. This is exactly what we were talking about in the industry, and has been excited to leverage their knowledge and insight in the sector, his newly formed relationship. And even just within that, gives you a bit of security that Argo are obviously showing promise. This company is going, yeah, we'll give you the money because we believe in you. And I don't think 8.25% is that much of an interest rate, all things considered, especially with interest rates likely to be going up as well. There's also this lovely video here about the cooling system, which should be good. Just the show, I'm not going to show it in this video, there's no point, but that is a nice, interesting video to give you a wee bit more behind the scenes. I found it very informative, as you know, I just don't know how all this stuff kind of works. Then we had this that came out on the 11th, just yesterday. Argo blockchain global leader in the cryptocurrency space. Argo's chief executive Peter Wall will be attending the following presentations. Roth Capital Partners, that's a big one. Be interesting to see what happens there. We know about Roth Capital, some of the other videos we talked about, the investments that they can provide. Being in the right space, there's the blockchain infrastructure, virtual crypto spaces, crypto mining day, the Bank of America, and Barclays Crypto Summit. So these are exciting, and he is delighted. And he says he is delighted to take these opportunities to discuss Argo's achievements, our upcoming projects, and our strategy as we continue to expand both our mining operations and our presence in different areas of the blockchain universe. Taking part in these conferences will allow us to engage with investors and share with them our story and our visions of the company's future. And we really seen Argo when they got announced on the Nasdaq, doing the Nasdaq speech. That was really them sort of becoming worldwide. That was really them breaking out of just this smaller London-based sort of cryptocurrency company. This is becoming something global now, and I'm liking this. These are the kind of conferences you have to be a part of. Do I expect anything particularly to come out of this? Who knows? It really is about the team. And again, one of the big selling factors for me in Argo is the whole climate positive situation, and what a time to be presenting this kind of information when energy crises are going on and things are going through the roof. Here comes Argo, a miner in the space that can go, listen, straight off the bat, we've got low energy costs. We've got a great agreement in our new facility that's about to open in months to come. We have future climate positive. We're not only going to be eco-friendly, we're going to be trying to give stuff back. To me, it's just a no-brainer that Argo is going to go to the moon. We just have to sit tight and be patient. Let's just have a look at the charts. Since my video on the 7th, I did say the charts were looking reasonably okay, not much happening, but we have seen almost 9% rise, and that's not too bad considering Bitcoin's been a bit turbulent, so that is decent. And that's probably been a wee bit of this news coming out here, and we can see when the news came out where Argo was in the morning. It was down and it has went up considerably since then, about 13%. So the news is obviously being received positively. And just to wrap up then, a bit of proper TA. We can see here that, you know, the buy symbols come in, which is not a bad telltale sign that this is maybe going in the right direction. However, the rest of the indicators that we like to see aren't showing great strength. And let's have a look at the ARB symbol then, just to wrap it up. Because there is differences. And the ARB, the reason I like the ARB symbol is because we've got a little more of a history. We can see we're well below our 180-day moving average. Some people that prefer a 200-day moving average. I prefer the 180 because the 180 allows us to be able to get in and out of trades a wee bit quicker. So yeah, not looking great. 80 is the target for the next level of, you know, rise, if you want to call it that. We do have considerable downside, but this kind of significant news, I would be hopeful that we won't fall below these prices. So if anyone's looking to get into Argo, why not have a nibble at around 60p? I think you're getting a steal at those prices. We'll see what way it goes. Really happy with this news. And I think Argo, as I've always said, has got plenty of places to go. And if you're interested in knowing a bit more about all this here, I'll share the link to this video where we talk about the anticipated price of this state-of-the-art facility. And until the next video, please like, subscribe, help me grow the channel. And I'll catch you then. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.
Something that happens by chance, I think not.